A melodic and rhythmic mid-tempo song with acoustic guitar and light percussion devote a sense of craftsmanship and precision. The vocals are clear and soulful as a fierce wood of tear. As in the details, gears move in circles, steady and slow. The edge of precision shines for the masters. Assembling watches, time calls with a dream. Gears dance smoothly in a perfect pair. The spring whispers like a hidden secret. Balance and palette precision in every step. Second after second measures its path. For quartz an electric world of narrow ways, the watch follows the frequency like a steady dream. Casing the movement, sealing through the thread. Testing the strength, a test of durability and sound. We calibrate the rate, balancing the heart, checking the warmth and sound of every moment. If all is well, we call the wind of time. So the device serves us for many years. Finished watches sound with their own tone. Each mechanism is like a small orchestra. Learn and remember, precision is the main law. That is how time is born in watches every day.